See, she looking at it. Yeah, she looking at it. She looking at it, Polly.
You lying.
Yeah.
She is. I can see her tongue. They deeply like it.
Mm-hmm.
This one is fat and just knocked out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So smart. She's so smart.
She's not just smart, but she can see. That's why she's smart.
Yeah.
Plus, you know that all dogs are smart.
Yeah, that's true.
Not just one. All.
Yeah.
Well, not just 2 or 3. All.
Yeah, they're all smart. Yeah.
I miss driving that van.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll get the key soon.
And we need to get the door handle fixed inside because, like,
Don't worry, we'll get
it
everything
feels
fixed.
better driving another car because the door handle in there is
Mm-hmm.
broke, so I had to like climb through the window to get out.
Look at that milk mustache.
It's over her nose. You gotta get her head in it.
Yeah.
There we go. I think today's the 15th.
I'm not sure.
So that means they're 15 days old, I think.
No, they were born maybe 16, because they were born maybe 16 days old.
Yeah, because they were born.
The 29th.
Yeah. No, they were born the 28th.
28th?
Yeah.
I gotta check the calendar.
And I was born the 27th.
She was hungry. Get her some more milk.
Ooh, she finna spill it. I think she actually likes it. Oh my god. It's the first time that I ever seen a girl that a dog drink that much milk. And 1 goat. 2 goats, actually. Somebody's scared.
Valerie, do me a favor. Pick up all this trash right here.
1 second.
Here, grab this.
There's no gloves in it.
No, I want you to throw it in the trash.
Oh.
Here's a glove right here. I ordered more gloves. Here's.
Oh no, I didn't need gloves. I just was wondering where the gloves. You want me to throw that away?
Everything on the trash,
Then I will need those. She's still drinking it.
Okay, I think she might be done. Okay.
No, she's not done. She's still hungry.
Baba, can you give me, let's put these pee pads back down.
You already know, Mom,
Is
she's...
this one dirty? Yeah. Baba, go give me a clean pee pad.
Alright, you already know she's not finished. I think that one's a little dirty, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go give me some clean ones.
2?
Yeah, 2. Yeah. Here, let's see. Let's see. Thank you. You don't think he wants it?
I don't know what happened back into that truck, but it stank.
Oh, all that. We need them blankets. We need to get cleaned. That's why. Yeah.
Let me go see my clothes now.
All right, we could go do the big dogs now. I know, right? This is my favorite part of the day, hanging out with them.
And then when you leave, they don't want you to go. They want you to stay forever.
Thank you. Bye, lady. We see you later. We'll see you later.
Bye. And last but not least, the princess. Bye. I didn't even get everybody in my profile picture before they passed away.
Yeah. You didn't get a picture of everybody?